I'm Anthony Analetto, and I'm up here at Bubbles Car Wash. This is a car wash that I bought with my son. The controller was old, didn't have license plate recognition, didn't have all the other features we wanted the digital signs and menu boards outside. Pay stations, controls all arrived today, so this will all come out, and we'll put a whole new control system in. We'll put a bridge up here to hold our cameras. So all that's happening at the same time. This might be a little bit rich in trying to get this all done, but we closed again yesterday at 4:30, and hopefully again by Saturday we'll be washing cars and collecting money again.
To improve efficiency and profitability, Monster Express Car Wash wanted to manage every aspect of their business online. They wanted advanced notification of potential problems before they happened to ensure a premium customer experience with minimal labor. Customer interfaces like pay stations and menu boards needed to engage and upsell customers with motion graphics, and advanced loyalty programs and customer tracking needed to happen instantly from license plate recognition, not manual data entry.
Equipment was here at 8 o'clock. They're installing it right now. The electricians and their team are in there removing the old controller. All the wires have been labeled. All the cross-reference sheets have been put together. We built a splice box to put in the back room. The controller will go inside in the back, and they'll start wiring that today.
Over the course of 3 short days, the installation team dramatically altered the ability of Monster Express Car Wash to grow its business. With the new tunnel controller, the operator can configure up to 170 functions and 64 inputs, and program anything from mirror bumps to lights turning on to scheduling the activation of irrigation systems. All those new functions can now be controlled from practically anywhere thanks to the cloud-based interface that puts the power of the wash in the palm of your hand. The tunnel controller communicates directly with the new Sunny's pay stations. These kiosks also convey information directly to the wash owner in the form of daily dashboards and targeted reports. The pay stations are directly linked to the new camera arch with integrated license plate recognition, or LPR. With this new system, a customer can sign up for the Unlimited Wash Club with the push of a button right there at the pay station with no labor needed. When they return to the wash, the cameras scan the license plate, and the vehicle is recognized during each subsequent visit to the car wash for smarter, faster, better service and powerful statistical information for the owners. The new digital menu boards are also on the cloud, allowing for dynamic content. This means that menus can be scheduled, different menus for different days, or even different times of days, such as holiday specials, early bird promotions, and happy hours, all fully controllable from the cloud, and more engaging for customers with video capability. The timing element was crucial to the success of the turnaround. In the car wash business, time is money, and to be able to dramatically improve the entire operation and business management system, including overall performance, technology, and data delivery in just 72 hours, made this entire transformation attainable.
Even though we're competitive and friendly, I don't want my customers to have a reason to go somewhere else. So the faster I can do it and the quicker I can get it done and the shorter closings allows me to maintain the customer base. And what they're excited about is they're seeing the change happen. And we're investing this back in to give them faster, better, quicker, cleaner service. And I think they're very appreciative of that.